This is our visual pick and place system for the manufacturing industry. The user will be required to log in before they can access the GUI controls for the system. We have a login tab, a sign up tab, and a password reset tab. We will first create an account under the sign up tab. Incorrect credentials are rejected, and only the correct credentials are accepted. Once the user is authenticated, the GUI of the pick and place system is presented to the user. To start the pick and place operation, the user will first select the play button, then the item that the user wants to pick up from the workspace. The robot N effector will then go to the item and bring it to the predefined drop-off point. Once the item is dropped off at the drop-off point, the robot returns to the observation post. In order to update the drop-off location, the user will go back into the main menu and select the Settings button. Within the Settings menu, the user is presented with options to update the drop-off location for each individual item within the pick and place database. Once an item is selected, the robot will go into learning mode, allowing the user to move the robot into the desired position by hand. Once in position, the user will press enter, and the drop-off position is saved in the robot's memory. The robot then returns to the observation post after going to the set drop-off post once. The remote is picked up again, but this time, the remote is dropped off in the new drop-off location.